Today I'm gonna show you guys how to download this new cool movie watching and show watching app, Popcorn Time. You go on Google, you tap on the top bar, and then you write. Oh yeah, you guys see a lot of sheepoo mix like stuff, cause my dog is pregnant. She's like a sheepoo, and she's pregnant. That's why. But okay, so you write Popcorn Time free for Android. If you have an iOS, you write iOS. Then you go to getpopcorntime.is. Block. And then you download the APK. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just swipe down below. Just swipe a little bit down below. And then, yeah, there's some tips on how to install Popcorn Time. This is totally free, guys. It's gonna take a few seconds. Oh, and I'm also gonna do a video on how to download Gcam. So I've done that. Almost done. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it, install, and this is Popcorn Time, guys. It's simple. You don't need nothing. You don't need to inject your device. You don't need Tweakbox. It's just simple. Popcorn Time. It's easy. Yeah. Here you have it. Popcorn Time. Let me just play something. So like that. Let's go to this. Play. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, it's better if you watch with a VPN. Most of the times they say use a VPN so you can watch it safely. So you need to activate a VPN. I don't have that right now. I need to download one, but yeah, this is how the app is. You can even download movies, search shows, like they have almost everything. So guys, while you're at home, stay safe, wash your hands, and always don't touch your face. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Like the cool blue light.